Welcome to our educational channel from class 6. The chapter number 8 is Introduction to Algebra. So in basic skills in mathematics to improve at least some properties. So some basic skills in algebra. So writing an algebraic expression, and if algebraic expression is given, outright the numbers, and solving some simple equations. So these all skills I'll explain one by one. First of all, you should know the basic skills of writing an algebraic expression from the statement. So this is very important to solve any kind of word problems, right? I am providing one link in description below about the worksheets, complete worksheets in this topic in the PDF file. You can download it and practice the rest of the sums. Few I will explain in the class, right? First of all, write each as an algebraic expression. Okay, few I'll show you. 4 cubed, so cubed, squared, these words you can see, 4 cubed means 4 to the power 3. 4 should be multiplied 3 times. The meaning is 4 into 4 into 4. There is a 4 cubed. 4 4 16, 16 4, so 64 is the 4 cubed. And second one, 10 more than n. 10 more than what? N. N is a variable. 10 more, so n plus 10. Okay, this is the statement. This you can write as algebraic expression is n plus 10, right? Every sentence, mathematical sentence or statement, we should convert into algebraic expressions. Next one, n decreased by 7. N decreased, how much decreased? N by 7, so n minus 7. We have two types in decreased: by, from. For example, they are asking n decreased, so some from means that we can take front, that we'll see the next topic. Here is only n decreased by 7, so n minus 7 is the value for this. Next one, the quotient of x and 5. Quotient means the division. We need to divide x and 5, so x divided by 5. If you solve, for example, what is the quotient of 10 and 5 means 10 divided by 5, so 2. Okay, that is quotient of x and 5 is x by 5. Okay, difference of 21 and 7. Difference means subtraction. These two number subtraction. 21 minus 7 is the difference of 21 and 7. So answer is 14. That is, you need to can solve in the problems. Next word is sum. SUM. The sum of v and 12. V is one variable, 12 is one number. Sum now plus symbol in between. V plus 12 is the sum of v and 12. Okay. We have few more sums, a few more questions are there in worksheets. You can practice in this page. And one more page, some last problems I'll show you. Okay, here is product of 12 and 6. The product means multiplication of what? 12 and 6. So 12 times 6, this is the product of 12 and 6. Okay, that is a 72 value. Okay, if you multiply, so 12 into 6 is the product means, remember, multiplication. Difference we know, subtraction. 28 24 minus 8. 5 more than 6, 5 more, so 6 plus 5. 5 more than 6, answer is 11 indirectly. The sum of v and 6, so v plus 6. 5 squared, so 5 to the power 2. 5 squared is 5 should be multiplied with 5, so answer is 25. 10 squared, 10 to the power 2, so 10 into 10, 100. The product of 7 and 8. Product means multiplication, we discussed. So 7 times 8, so like you can multiply. T squared, so t to the power 2. Could not simplify more. This is only the answer for this. So like this, I am giving some number of questions in this first and second pages in the PDF. You can get it and practice the rest of the sums. That is one method. And when you come to next one is reverse, that is writing algebraic expressions. So write each as verbal expression. So in terms of sentence, mathematical sentence, you should write verbal expression. They gave here algebraic expression, we need to write as a verbal expression. This is 12 into 6. 12 into 6. No, previous one, if you observe once, what did here? 12 into 6. That means the product of 12 and 6 he wrote. Product of 12 and 6. Just you can write product of 12 and 6. If anything is multiplication, same you can use here also. B into 7. So this is the product of, so you can write the product of B and 7. So multiplication symbol, you can use the product word, remember. Next, minus symbol, you can use difference. The difference of V and 8. But yes, V is a variable, no? So 8 is subtracted from V. You can write 8 subtracted. You can write subtracted from V. That's why V minus 8. Or else we can write difference between V and 8. So minus. Anyway, you can start. Difference of 24 and 8 means 24 minus 8. Same way here also. You can use difference of V and 8. So V minus 8. Okay, plus symbol, we can use the sum of 11 and U. So 11 plus U. Minus means difference word you can use. Okay, this is all you can write easily. And same way, this is the t to the power 3 now. So t cubed. Okay, squared means power 2. Like this, what to use the word quotient. The quotient of n and 5. We did know here. Starting. The quotient of x and 5, x divided by 5. So you can use the same as the quotient of n and 5. Okay. This is the questions I am giving, some 3-4 pages, like verbal expressions to converting to algebraic expressions and algebraic expressions to verbal expressions conversions. Right. Next, once you perfect those all, then let us do some simple equations in this topic. Simple equation is you need to solve the variable value. So observe here, minus 5 is equals to minus 9 minus p. When you transpose one side to other side, LHS to RHS, plus becomes minus. When you're transposing, minus is plus. Then product becomes as division, division is into. Okay, remember this pattern, LHS to RHS. If you observe, this is a minus p. If you take, so plus p. RHS is negative p now. Take LHS plus p. Already negative 9 is there. Minus 5 take right side plus 5. Then p is equals to minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. Okay, this is the transferring LHS to RHS. This pattern you can follow. Next one. Minus 1 is equal to x plus 7. X as is 7 only I am taking LHS. No problem. You can minus 1 already is there. Plus 7 you can take this side minus 7. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8 is equal to x. So therefore x is equals to minus 8. Simple. If minus 8 is equal to x means x is equal to minus 8 only. Okay. Same way. Minus 1 is there, already is there. 5 is subtracting with k. So if you take other side, RHS to LHS, it's a plus 5. So 4 is equals to k, or k is equals to 4. Same method you apply here, everything. Still, if you want to do proper simple method, here if you observe negative minus 7 is equal to m plus 2, right? You can write m plus 2 is equals to minus 7. Make the variable term like LHS side instead of getting confused. Now you can write m is equals to plus 2 take right side minus 2. Already is there minus 7. So minus 9. Both the ways. Anyway you can solve it. 3 is equals to p plus 9. So p is equals to 3 minus 9. So plus 9 I am taking RHS to LHS. Simple. 3 minus 9. That is minus 6. N is equals to 13 minus 10. Plus 10 now transpose. Minus 10. N is equal to 3. Okay. This is the one way of simple equation solving. Just transposing one form to other form. So not only this, I am giving some number of questions in this page. Few more are there. More 2 pages. You can get the PDF file and practice to be perfect in the simple equations. So once perfect the terminology like converting from verbal to algebraic and reverse. So you can practice the simple equations also for practice then to improve in this topic, in this basic skills in mathematics, especially in this algebra.